Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom looking for a way out of that 9 to 5 and you're wondering, can digital marketing make you a millionaire? Then you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video, and I'm going to show you real time proof of people earning 6 and 7 figures in the digital marketing space. Now, the truth is, you don't need to have a degree, you don't need to be an influencer or have be a tech bro in order for you to earn millions. In 2025, I'm here to tell you there are ways that people like you and me are actually earning 6 and 7 figures online, right? And there's different ways that you can go about it. So I'm going to share with you how you can work smart by actually promoting done for you digital products. So you don't have to have any technical skills or have any following in order for you to actually make it, right? So the key to earning your first million online is just work smart, right? If you're going to sell products and make €10 there, $10 here, it's going to take you a long time for you to earn your first million. But if you can work smart and earn a minimum of $100, $900, get into high ticket coaching, and earn and actually have multiple income streams, then this is the way for you to get there, right? And most importantly, if you can follow a proven step-by-step blueprint that was created by a self-made multi-millionaire who's helping other people earn 6 and 7 figures, then you can skyrocket your chances of actually earning your million, right? So what millionaire moms actually do different is they use automation, they use automated marketing systems to build the business. That way they're not trading their time for money. You'll never become a millionaire if you're trading your time for money. It's only going to happen if you can automate and earn a passive income. So let me go ahead and share my screen here and share with you real-time proof of different moms in our community earning 6 and 7 figure earners. We actually have South Africans earning, we have 19 South Africans who've earned their first million, and some have gone to earn multiple million in South African rands, right? So this is our community here. We have a thriving community of over 53,000 members, and these members are spread across the world. They're in Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, South and North America. They're everywhere. And just to show you here, what we have here is a live interactive coaching and mentorship, which is actually done by these 6 and 7 figure mentors every single week. And we have a classroom here of different tools and resources. But let me go ahead in the community. And if I type here Millionaire, so we can see here. So if I go to classroom here, right? Let's see. What does it take to five? What does it take? What if it does take you 5 years? Let me just see. Okay, this is just training where Millionaire is mentioned. But if I go to the let's say if I go to members here, let me go to the community, because what I'm looking for is proof, people sharing proof of them earning millions in South African rands, right? So the Millionaire Club. So Ron, April 24, I'm a millionaire. Money. Oh, this is an affirmation. Being interviewed by a millionaire. Marsha is one of our members in our community, and she was being interviewed by Christelle, who is actually a South African millionaire using this program here. So she was just sharing that. And let me see, South African millionaires, millionaire mindset, good morning. Another South African millionaire. Allow me to honor and celebrate, congratulate our African millionaire, Christelle. So that was Cecilia. Cecilia is the first South African to earn her first million in South African rands. And Christelle is another South African millionaire who earns, right? So there's 19 South African millionaires in our community. But not only do we have these millionaires, this program itself was created by a grandmother of 6 children who went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning her first million in 17 months. And now she's gone past her fourth million in about 3 years. And she actually sends us, she takes us by the hand every single day for 90 days. She does this 90-day runs. So we're on day 34, where she sends us a video, and in that video, she gives us action steps to take. So now we're on day 34, and the day 30 to 60, she's kind of focused on email, helping us build our email and giving us nuggets that we can use, right? Very, very powerful. But if I go to a community here and just finish up with the wins and just share with you other wins that are being shared in the community. Mindy, 8 hours ago, this is why I go live every day, okay? And she's just sharing her screenshot of $900 that just came in, right? She received that payment. And followers, I won, let's see, small wins. My first 5 sales. Shirley, 5 hours ago, sharing a screenshot. Always like the ones with the screenshot. 9,180, right? Absolutely amazing. And she's showing the time frame there, okay? And let's keep going and see. Looking for the financial wins. Christina, 4 days ago, 900 on a lazy Sunday. And she shares a screenshot there while she's chilling out, and the screenshot there of a 900 payment come through, right? It's absolutely amazing. And keep going. Christy just hit $39,000 in the first 10 months online, right? Last July, I didn't even know what a digital product was. True story, I had no clue what digital marketing is, right? So she learned everything, was able to get 39,000 in 10 months. Tinus, 20 hours ago, from 9 to 5 to earning 16,000 rands in 28 days. 30 days ago, I officially started digital marketing. My first 28 days, I made 16,000 rands, all on my phone. This week, I quit my 9 to 5. That was only paying me 9,500 rands. So he was earning 9,500 rands a month. He's literally almost doubled that in 28 days of digital marketing. Daniele, 13 days ago, $3,100 a week. Victoria, she's almost 10K for the month of July, right? The month of June, sorry. June is bringing the heat. I'm at 9,400 for June already. Congratulations. Ding, ding, ding. And Wooly, $900. So happy for this program. Teresa, $100 dings while I was in work meeting. Congratulations. Woke up to $900. Kevin, 22 hours ago. Always like to look at the screenshots. That's a screenshot of the payment notification coming in. Another amazing day. This program is incredible. I never in my wildest dreams imagined being able to make 100K, but I'm almost there. And she shares a notification of that coming in there. Payouts. Stripe, and so on. Multiple streams of income. Summer means swim. 1,200 while at swim meets. 900 at practice, and she shares their picture. First viral video on TikTok. Got my flame back. I just rolled from picking up my kids, and bam. Okay, so 360 leads in 2 days. Absolutely amazing. She shares that. Mindy, May 14th, $900, helping another mama get started, and so on and so forth. So we have this thriving, we have a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, from no experience, no technical skills, no following, to earning your first money by following a proven blueprint. And with this program, you get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners who have used the system to earn that money. Our founder herself that created the course earned her first million and has gone on to earn multiple millions with this program. So if you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of your Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your email. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Ask me any questions that you might have. I'm more than happy to answer them. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic